Grammarly was pro writing ad in 2021. Pro writing edits for content style, syntax, and structure, whereas Grammarly is focused mostly on grammar and punctuation. Grammarly was pro writing ad 2021, the digital merchant. Grammarly was providing a 2021 comparison finances online. Grammarly was providing a review and comparison 2021. Which one is the better pro writing address? Grammarly. Is there anything better? The Grammarly, which is better with white smoke was Grammarly. Is pro writing ad cheating? I compared. Pro writing ad was Grammarly. Here what happened? This review compared the best grammar checkers of 2021, including Grammarly, ProWriting Ad, and Ginger. Are you looking for the best? How I use Grammarly tool. Grammarly West ProWriting Ad, which to use Guru 1919. Pro Writing Ad Review 2021. It is better than Grammarly. Pro Writing Review Grammarly was Pro Writing Ad. Woo is Pro Writing Ad for Pro Writing Ad free was from premium. Grammarly is Pro Writing Ad 2021 comparison free and paid. History. Grammarly was Pro Writing Ad 2021 comparison free and paid. Life hacks click to implement fixes for simple grammar and spelling errors. Related searches: Pro Writing Ad with Grammarly, Academic, White Smoke with Grammarly, Ginger Pro Writing with Humanity, Grammarly with Outright, Style Fright with Grammarly, Pro Writing Ads with Autocrit, Pro Writing Ad Free with Premium, Style Writer with Grammarly, Grammarly with Outright, Pro Writing Ad with Humanity, Ginger with Pro Writing Ad, White Smoke with Grammarly. Grammarly was writing a 2021 comparison free and paid hasty. Grammarly Pro Writing 2021 free and paid life hacks click to implement fixes for simple grammar and spelling errors. Pro Writing Ad Review 2021 is better than Grammarly. Grammarly was for writing ad which to use choose Guru 99. Pro writing ads with Grammarly 2021 premium proofreading tools for pro writing ad is an excellent manuscript editing software with hand coded rules. Whereas Grammarly is an all based tool with built in. Grammarly is Ginger. Grammarly is pro writing ad Reddit. Grammarly was pro writing ad with White Smoke. Grammarly pro writing ad with Grammarly 2020. Grammarly with pro writing ad which is better. Rigorous Teams 29 April 2021. It's hard to pro writing ad is a style editor and grammar checker for content creators, writers, and so on. Grammarly is providing ad best proofreading tools in 2021, user certification based and on impartial survey. Grammarly clocks a whopping 96 percentage as against 92 percentage. I compared providing ad with Grammarly. Here what happened. Grammarly with providing ad review and comparison. Grammarly with providing ad in 2021. Grammarly is providing a 2021 comparison finance online. Grammarly is free for all users with the basic feature for critical grammar and spelling checks. 3 premium plans. Grammarly is providing a 2021 the digital merchant.